Hello guys, my name is John and Ilian. In this video, I will show you how to create Gmail account without phone number and without anything. How to make new Gmail? Press new Gmail type. Go to your page, click on the account, enter your name, username, and your password. Next option, verify phone number. Supporting Gmail account, Google Support. How to create Gmail account in Quora. Which tool create 100 Gmail in Quora? What is the trick? Multiple Gmail account in approx 30 Gmail unity. I will give you separate trick how to create Gmail unlimited account. Please contact me on WhatsApp number. I will give you WhatsApp number. Please enter your type WhatsApp number star 9234703466690 on contact me. I will give you free trick and enjoy unlimited Gmail account. Free trick unlimited make no any issue without any problem. Please contact me on WhatsApp number. How to create a Gmail account without phone number. How to create Gmail account by setup information. I hope you understand my language. 38 tips will give you Quora magic. How to make a free business address, easy method, WP forms.